All right, no videos in nearly 2 months, and I want to say that I've been just flat out too busy, but I have had a little time. It's definitely a little bit of burnout in there. Needed to take a little break from doing this stuff, wait for my interest to renew. And honestly, look around here, it has been rather rainy the last couple of months. Since I started this channel, we actually hadn't had a great deal of rain up until very recently. And then a couple of months ago, we got like 2 weeks of it straight. All this exploded. It took me a month just to, like all of this stuff over here, the shorter stuff, that's amaranth. And along that side of my field, for some reason, that stuff grows up 3, 4, sometimes 5 feet high. Took me weeks to get it mowed down. And then keeping up with regular yard work has just been busy. But we're gonna try to get back to it a little bit. Let's see, how the hell do I carry this? I bet it'll ride up there that way. Nope, it's already not riding up there. Okay. Well, I guess I'll just carry it. Now, anyway. Alright, so what we're going to work on today. Oh, good. I just noticed that. It's a bird nest up there. That's one of them little gray and yellow buggers, too. I bet she's going to be mad at me. But our Heli 2.0 has been down for a while. Let's do a quick update. That one, I have that set up for high voltage and let it freewheel and high wind, burn up the wire. The stator's fine. I got to bring it back down and replace the wire. This one, a couple of weeks ago, really high wind hit it, and I tried to shut it off because I wasn't going to be here to monitor it, put the brakes on right as that wind hit, and it burned up that stupid little junction in the back. So that one made it nearly a year before I had to replace that junction. I got to bring it down and bypass that junction. We've already bypassed the junction on this one. This one is waiting for a new slip ring. That's what we're going to do today. I'm even out here, I've got my GoPro. There's going to be some wind noise because that's just how my GoPro works. I want to be able to do this, to film it hands-free. I can't do that with my phone, which is what I normally use. So, if the wind noise blocks me out, I do apologize. If my camera freezes, well, I'll get as much video as I can. My GoPro's old. The card that I've got in it is certainly not old, not new. It's older than the GoPro. Where's my other clippy? I need a climbing outfitter. Someone who sells climbing gear to watch one of my videos and go, hey, you know what that guy needs? A good climbing harness. He needs a climbing harness. Keep seeing them on Facebook Marketplace periodically. Someone who is a turbine technician getting out of the trade, selling off his gear. And for the most part, used gear like that doesn't bother me. But I keep getting close to the buy. And then chickening out because just part of me just can't trust used climbing gear. I know what I've got here is certainly not pretty. Alright. But I do trust it. It was new. I've already thrown my weight on it intentionally a few times. All these little birds, most of them are fledglings now. They've already gotten out of the nest. We're gonna sneak up on this one. If it's a loaded nest, I'll back off. Nope, they're gone. Okay, good. I like the little jerks, but I also don't like them. I mean, they're good for my area, they're good for the bugs. Man, you get near their nest and they start flipping their lids. Okay. Let's get it on that side. Let's get my slip ring up here before I lose that. Be my luck, I get up here, drop the stupid slip ring. Okay, let's get my other end. Oh damn, there is an egg. There's 2 eggs in there. I'll have to make this quick. She started late. Either that or something happened to her. I didn't see a bird up here whenever I started climbing. And now I'm worried about birds I don't like. Okay, so let's get this end up on that also. You need to give me a great big old carabiner that I can latch onto the tail. See if she's going to let me turn her. Okay, so what we've got is a nasty slip ring. It certainly looks like it. I pulled it up. You can see lots of burnt stuff. Come on. What's going on? Now it looks like I'm having chicken problems in the yard. Well, whatever it is, I can't help. Ah. Man, I got this thing loose last time. Now I don't know how I got it loose. There it goes. A little bit. A little bit more. Actually, let's just go ahead. do that. Snip that off. Okay. You jerk. Of course it would just fall right back in there. No problem. Okay. Don't know how much my camera's showing. Man. Gonna make me work for it. Let's block that over there. Good. Okay. We got this loose. Watch where it goes. Right by the leg. Beautiful. All right. So with this, watch me drop it. Get it untangled here. That's the end. Keep hitting my camera. Feels like it's a tube that's just the right size. Alright, let's get all the way up here. You know what? That may not be something I can do. Which will be mighty disappointing. Okay. Straighten my wires out a little bit. Bend them right back because it's a really tight angle. You can feel there's a little joint there. Alright, let's try feeding them from... Nope, I can't feed them from the hole up there. Get right there and it won't go any further. Well, crud. I guess we'll have to climb back down and try again later. I ain't got time to get down and go get my fish tape. What's it caught on? Can't really be anything there. Well, it's landed on something solid. So much for today's exercise. Okay, let's see how good a shot I am. Close enough. Had to drop that coil on that loop right there. Well, start the slow journey back down. Okay. Oh man. When I built this tower, I had it in my head that these would be steps. I'd just be able to climb up that ladder, walk right up to these steps, do my work. Man, I got a little platform where I can stand on something solid up here, and it's still terrifying. Oh. Put that one on the next one down. Oh. Yep, that's tall enough we can see it on the ground. Come on now. I hate that rung. Tower was weather removed. Some of the rungs are not great. What? Alive? Okay, I'll come get it. Just a second. Yep. Chicken problems. Got a mama bird and two little babies, and they have the entire field that they can exist in safely in a yard that has my dogs in it who will eat them, and they cannot stay out of the yard. Alright, let's see here. That's the damage that I did to it. And all that a bunch of green over here that I think is the problem, but that's where we are. We'll go back up maybe in the morning with a fish tape and see if we can pull that wire through. No, sorry, it's not a very exciting video this time. We'll try again tomorrow. And hopefully, once I get a turbine going again, we'll have some more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.